And it's now time for a ray of hope. This evening, we look at how a new initiative is changing the lives of students at Guys Hill Primary.
At the Guys Hill Primary School in St. Catherine, something special is brewing. The institution is the first of a chain of reading clubs to be established in schools based in the rural parts of the parish. For students, it's a chance to step away from screens and immerse themselves in the world of books.
I want to become an entrepreneur, so you have to read a lot of documents because you're the CEO, a lot of documents, and you have to hire people, you have to do interviews and stuff, so you have to do a lot of things, and reading is all of it.
When I'm at somewhere and I have a book and I read it, I feel peaceful and I just feel comfortable reading the book.
It's an initiative of Captain Lisa Thomas, a Jamaican pilot who now lives in the UK. In the first phase of the project, 5 schools have been identified to establish the clubs to the tune of a little over 500,000 Jamaican dollars each. Budding writers also have a unique opportunity.
So all the kids from each school will be writing their own story in that book. So we will have it published for the school. So the kids will write the stories, the teachers and the principal will read those stories, monitor those stories, edit those stories, and then we will second vet those stories, and then we send each story onto the printers.
The reading clubs won't just be a place for children. It's also designed for adults to participate.
So the reading club draws them together in an atmosphere where there are adults to motivate them, to show them that this still works, that you can visit the entire world through reading. If you can read, you can go to places that you've never heard about. You can experience so many things. And if there are adults there, because in our reading club, we have adults who love to read.
School administrators from the participating schools agree that this is needed as libraries are under-resourced.
We know that within our school system, reading is the biggest challenge that we face now. So this will help to scaffold the development of greater readers among children and at large, the community and our country.
We'll be having seminars with parents to inform them about how they can help their children to read. So we'll bring in presenters and they'll be showing parents different strategies to help their children to read.
And to facilitate online meetings, schools were also gifted tablets. With your Ray of Hope, I'm Janella Precious.
Ray of Hope, brought to you by